Hello, it's Jam Games here once again, and in this video we're going to add the next perk, which is Double Tap, or what we will call it is Rapid Fire. So yeah, let's get started. But one quick thing first, if you had some problems with the perk machines that you can buy it without power, if you have the money that it requires, just go to the perk machine and check that can interactable and power on are both as false as default. Okay, if this can interact is set to true like this, I'll show you. I will get some money, and if I try to buy, I can buy it. Yeah, so you just want to set this to false. And now if I do the same thing, I cannot do it. Okay, that's fixed. So let's get to the work. So go to the link in the description, that takes you to the Google Drive, and download this perk machine rapid fire material for the machine. Now go back to the resources and go to the icons, perks, and download this rapid fire icon that I have created, and also this machine icon from here. Okay, when you have done that, go back to your project and let's start to import them. So first let's go to the props folder and to the perk machines. Now we want to import the perk machine rapid fire. So this one. And now what we want to do, we want to check this perk machine health material. Let's duplicate it. Let's call it perk machine rapid fire material. Oh, mat, like that. Now let's open it. Let's change the texture to perk machine rapid fire material. Let's apply. Let's save. Okay. Now let's go to the resources and to the icons, the perk icons. Now let's import the, sorry, not that one. Let's import the rapid fire icon that we just downloaded. Okay, and next thing, let's change it to user interface type. So compression settings and user interface 2D. Okay, let's save, close. Now let's go to the machine icons. Ah, shit. Sorry. Perk machine logo. Let's add this. And also let's do the same thing here. So user interface 2D. Let's save and close. Now, what we want to do, we want to go to the blueprints and to the interactable. And actually, let's first let's go to the perks data table. Let's open that. Let's actually create a new one. Let's add. Let's change the row name to be 3, and also the index to be 3, and the name, let's make it rapid fire, like that. And now let's change the image to rapid fire texture, this one. Okay, like that. Now let's save, and we can actually close this. And I just remember we have to go back to the resources folder, to the props folder and to the perk machines. And we want to also duplicate this perk icon material 2 or 1, whatever. And now we have perk icon material 3. Let's open it and let's change this texture to perk logo rapid fire, like that. Let's apply. Now let's actually save all, just to be sure, because we have 4 unsaved. And now let's go to the interactables and to the perks and PP perk machine. Now here we are actually at the is interactable get details function as we opened this. So let's add this here. So let's go to the here where we set the name. Let's set it to rapid fire, like that. And the price, what should we set here? I will go to check from online what it is on Call of Duty. Okay, I think it's 2000. Like that. Okay, let's compile and save. Now we want to go to the construction script. And here we want to add another pin, so option 3. Now here we want to set the perk icon material 3. So icon material 3. And here, let's add another. And we want to perk machine machine rapid fire material. Like that. Let's compile and save. Now, if we try, let's actually move this closer to the other perk machine. Maybe like that. Actually, I will do it like this so it looks better. So we have this here at 850. Let's make it like 175. Okay, something like that. 0. Now if I set here this to 50 and that on. Now if I duplicate this, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, I will move it to here, set this to 2. Let's duplicate once more. Move it to here. And let's set it 3. Okay. Now I want to set that off. Now let's go see if it works. So we have all these machines here. You can see all the logos and stuff like that, and it says rapid fire here. Now when we turn on the power, you see soon, they will turn on. Now if I buy it, I have it, but it actually doesn't yet do anything. But now you can see we have all the PERK logos here. Okay. So let's add some functionality to that machine. What happened? Okay, this Unreal 5.1 is glitching so much. Yeah. Let's go to the blueprints folder and to the PP first person camera character. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired. And now we want to go to we want to find our fire weapon. Okay. And we want to move this set timer by function name. Let's move it further like this. And actually, let's do this the other way. So what we want to do here now is we want to actually create a new macro. Let's call this rapid fire perk. Oh, rapid fire perk checker or something like that. Check. Okay, and now let's move this output a little bit further there, and let's add a output pin. Let's change it to the float, and let's call it output. Okay, let's compile just to be sure. Now what we want to do, we want to get our fire rate, which should be here on the weapon stats. Okay, we want to get it, and then we want to get from here a select node like this. And now we want to get our perks in use, and we want to get from it, and the number or the index we want to get is 3, and let's connect it to the index like that. And now what we want to do also is we want to get from connect this to the false, and let's actually align this. And now we want to get from here, and we want to multiply. And if we want to make the fire rate like in Call of Duty, so 1.3 times when we have the perk on, we have to set this to multiply by 0.7. So it, yeah, it goes like 30% faster because it decreases 30% from this fire rate time. Okay, let's compile. Save. And now let's go to the fire weapon. Now we can delete this fire rate from here. And we want to get this rapid fire perk checker. Let's connect it to the time. Like that. Compile and save. And now, what else we have to do? Oh yeah, we have to go to the fire macro. So here on the macros. And let's delete this fire rate from here. Let's get this rapid fire perk checker and connect it to the duration. Like that. Compile, save. Actually, I will save all. Now, if we go to play, if we, for example, get this weapon and we check, let's actually turn the power on first. Now, if we shoot, it takes like 3.5 seconds to empty the clip. And now, if we get this, let's see. You can see it's a lot faster. So now if we have both of these, you can see much better. But yeah. So I think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to continue watching this series. I will continue this as long as you guys want. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed and I hope you have a great day and see you on the next one.